Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Chip.
I'm Delaney.
And today we are doing another installment of our makeup artist inspiration type of look. So we both chose two different Instagram makeup artists and we're going to recreate their look to see what we can do and just giving a shout out to our artists. So who did you pick?
I picked the artist Lenka Lul. It's LenkaLul, so I'm not sure if it's Lenkal or I'm gonna say Lenka Ul. She did like this nice like candy corn look and I was like, bitch, fall vibe. So we gonna do that today. Yeah. It's got a nice bold liner on it. It's got some white eyeliner. We gonna just get in there. What about you?
So I chose MARIANNA RUDUS from the UK. Her picture, very fall inspired, very shimmery glitter, and has like a gold yellow liner, which I'm all about colored liner, so thank you. And some lashes. I'm liking it.
You're gonna put on a beanie too so you can look just like her?
I feel like I have that color beanie, but I'd have to go through like my winter clothing box.
Not prepared.
Not prepared.
Alright.
Urban Decay original.
For my look, I'm going to be focusing on using the CERTIFEYE Affinity palette. It has all of the yellows that I need in there and the oranges, so we just gonna play with the top half of that palette. This one does look like it involves a cut crease, so I can't wait. I'm loving her highlight. I'm just loving all of it.
So for my look, it looks very halo eye, which I love.
I'm going to take the Morphe M330, and then for the crease shade, I'm going to use a SHAREEN, which is like a burnty orange. And I'm going to just really diffuse it and really just concentrate it in the crease right where I'm going to cut it.
So it also looks like she did a very nice sharp edge, so I'm going to add tape. So now let's go in with
Dystopian.
Dystopian. It's a new word for me. So it looks like this dark brown color is definitely diffused all over her lid with keeping the center of the lid exposed.
So I forgot in her eyebrows in this look that they're like really dark on the outside. We gotta just go in with a little bit of this ColourPop Dope Taupe. She used an ABH pomade actually, but I don't have soft brown because my hair is never that dark. So it's like great on Instagram, but like in real life, if I saw someone with brows like that, I'd be like, wow. All right, now that I fixed my brows, I'm gonna go back into blending my eye.
Now, because her look is more on the brown side, I'm going a little bit darker, so obviously you can see it on me. And then I'm gonna go in with He Devil from Urban Decay Heat Palette. Buff that out at the top.
Okay, I was just using the Morphe M169 to kind of just blend that out. I'm gonna just go ahead and cut my crease. I'm gonna use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 00. And we're gonna be taking a paddle brush. Also from Morphe, this is the E19. She does have like a more almond shaped eye than me, and so I'm gonna come out a little bit more like closer to the nose bridge with my cut crease, and the white goes to like 2/3 of the eye, so.
Cut creasing as well. We're gonna make a nice little halo.
Normally I do my cut creases a little bit above like my natural crease of my eye, but this one I'm trying to keep like right on that so it still creates the same shape.
Okay, so when I get the halo shape just right, then I want to make sure that I'm blending out the outer corners.
Gonna go in with my Morphe M250-0 and just clean up the line with SHAREEN. So I'm going to take that same paddle brush and get really close up to that cut, and then I'm gonna go in with the shade MUNAZA. It's kind of like an off-white, so I'm gonna really pack it on top of this.
I'm just going back in with that dark brown shade from ABH.
So she takes the white shade about 1/3 into the eye. And since it is such a white color, I wanted to get a little bit further so it makes it easy blending. And then I'm going to take Annie next and do the lid shade. I'm going to stay with the same brush.
Okay, so it looks like it's like a really nice gold on the lid. So I want to go with TEAK with our Sephora number 15 shadow brush and put that over the liquid eyeliner or liquid lipstick.
So I was just taking a little bit of this highlight that I put on today. It's the Estate Do Me, and then this is in the shade Lit. It's just like a nice little like off yellow champagne-y, but I'm just dabbing it onto the inner corner a little bit just to kind of brighten up that white because I'm pretty sure she's using a shimmer, but I'm lazy and I brought an all matte palette. And then we're going to take a Sonia, which is going to be this outer corner color. And it's a little bit more of a punchy orange. And I'm going to blend it in with SHAREEN.
The liquid liner part is going to be the cat suits.
And then if I didn't already say, I'm using the Sephora Pro 14 to put this on. I'm going to say that she's using the same shade kind of color on the lower lash line as well. So I'm going to take the E18 from Morphe and just go ahead and preemptively add that down there. And she has a very bold liner, so I'm going to go in first with the cream gel liner from ColourPop and just rim the inside of my eye here. I'm going to use the Kat Von D Trooper liner.
Now she definitely has lashes, so I need to prep some. And we'll go with the 3D Mist Volume Lash in MS03. And for lip, I'll do the Sephora number 3. This is it's a cream shade, and it's the New York destination one.
She also used a white liner, so I'm going to jump into Exit, and we're going to hope for I'm going to prep for lashes with the Urban Decay. For lip, I'm just going with the Mother of Pearl Gloss in Corazon from ALAMAR Cosmetics. It seems like the kind of glossy lip that she would have with this look. And then lashes are going to be the TATTI TL3s.
Done.
Oh my god. That took so long.
Oh.
I wish I had more time to like perfect the liner, but it came through.
Oh, I see the resemblance. Yep, yep. Inspiration number 2. I like your color options too. They're really pretty. So we're gonna do some close-ups. Hope you enjoyed this inspiration look, and yeah, let us know if there's some other artists that you're like, hey, check them out, do a look.
Yeah.
Let us know in this video or on our Instagram. Everything, our social media is sugarandspice_makeup. So check us out on Facebook, Instagram, here, everywhere. And that is all we have. So we will see you guys in our next video. Bye!